Welcome to the Natural Health Advisor app demo built on AWS Party Rock Gen AI Apps Playground. Think about this app as your personal naturopath, where you can ask it any health related questions, providing minimum information like age, allergies, and previous medical conditions. The app will then provide you with a personal natural remedies and suggested weekly meal tailored for you. You also have the option to chat with the app for follow-up questions. This app is built on Claude large language model using Amazon Bedrock service. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that this app is not intended to provide medical advice or serve as a replacement for professional medical care. Only a licensed physician can diagnose and treat medical conditions. It is important to consult with your doctor before starting any new remedy, as supplements and herbs can interact with medication and cause side effects or other issues in some cases. Any information provided by this app should not be used to self-diagnose or self-treat any condition. This app is meant to serve as an informational resource only, not professional medical advice. You should always follow the guidance of your personal physician over any suggestion from this app. This app is not liable for any issues resulting from the use or misuse of the information provided. Getting professional medical advice from your doctor is strongly recommended. Let's go ahead and start the demo. The first step is to ask the application the health-related question you need help with. I'm going to ask it, how can I decrease the inflammation in my body and address indigestion issues? Then I will go ahead and provide more information like my age, any allergies or dietary restrictions. For example, I'm going to provide it with like gluten, dairy. I also don't like tofu, so I will include tofu. Previous medical conditions, we can come up with something like high blood pressure. Once we provide these inputs, the application will start building a natural remedy for us, considering all the information that we provided previously, the age, the medical condition, and any allergies or dietary restrictions. The next step, the application will build a suggested weekly meal considering the allergy and dietary restrictions we provided previously. It's going to give us some ideas for food to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for each day of the week. Let's say I have more questions about which probiotics I should use from the natural remedy. I can go ahead and chat with the application in the chat pod and ask questions like which type of probiotics I should use. The application will respond with more tips and information about which probiotics type that will fit my medical condition and information that I provided about myself previously. Another example, let's say I want to update or modify the suggested weekly meal. I want to know how much protein intake for each of these meals. Let's say I want to make sure that every day I'm going to have a minimum of 100 grams of protein. So I can ask the application to include the protein intake per each meal and the total protein intake per day and update that suggested weekly meal with this information. The application will rewrite the meal plan and also will include the protein intake for each meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and also the total protein intake for each of these meals. These are just examples for some follow-up questions to modify or customize the results from the application. But I hope that this application gives you some ideas how to improve your health and how to build some suggestions for meals that can help you improve your health.